Distinguished tripartite delegates, dear colleagues, ILO colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It is asked to me to deliver, last but not least, final message of this inter-regional forum and take it up with great pleasure. First of all, on behalf of the ILO, I would like to thank you all for your active and rich participation during the 3-day Interregional Knowledge Sharing Forum in Antananarivo. Indeed, the forum came out with a very high quality of deliberations and a very clear way forward. As said during the opening ceremony, all main deliberations and conclusions issued from this Interregional Forum in Antananarivo will feed the next activity on labor migration during the Expert Commission meeting in September in Geneva and the International Labour Conference. The forum is a successful event given to your very much appreciated contribution and your inputs. ILO is grateful for your commitment and your willingness to positively change the situation of millions of migrant domestic workers over the world. I urge you all to starting the realistic implementation of the action plan draft here in Antananarivo in an appropriate and responsive manner at national, sub-regional, and inter-regional levels. ILO always stands ready to support initiatives on labor migration as much as possible. Decent work forward is also decent work for migrant domestic workers. In this prospect, I wish you all a safe trip back, and once again, thank you.